Alright guys, quick video today on how to make packing slips. So come up here to production, click production. This will bring up the board. Find the card that you want to actually make a packing slip on. Click it. This will bring up the work order. You go over to the packaging button. From there, this is where your packing slips will live, your shipping labels, tracking number, and also a way to notify the customer. So first thing, setting it up wise, your slip settings is right here. This will actually bring up what you could change, and the QR code up here actually goes to a public link where it'll show them what their order was and also a way for them to actually send you a request for a reorder. So it could be convenient for the customer whenever it's time for another box of shirts. From there, we have boxed so far. This will show how many shirts that you've already currently boxed. So we're going to go through this real quick. I know I'm going to need 2 boxes for this. So first box, we're going to put all the Gildan 5000 in. So it'll tell you how many of each there is. So I'm just going to put them in. Then box 2 is going to be the remaining stuff. So from there, after you have all that done, it automatically saves it. So the only thing you have to do is click print all slips. It'll bring up your packing slips. They're optimized for a 4x6 label printer. So if you have a label printer, you can do it that way. Or if you print it on paper, you'll just have to cut it out, tape it to the box, however you want to do it. If you want to make shipping labels, you click create a shipping label. If you have to have their shipping address in the system, you can also add it. It'll go through. If you have shipping, your API and stuff through shipping set up in the integrations menu, then if you do your tracking separate, you can come up here to the tracking numbers and you can manually put it in. I know a lot of people use like Pirate Ship and stuff like that to ship out things. So as you know, Pirate Ship doesn't have an API, so you can just take in your tracking number, put it in here, save it, and you can send it to the customer that way. But that's pretty much how you make a packet slip. We use it all the time at our shop. That way we can let people know what's in each box. It's really convenient for the customer. So that is the video for today. Thanks, guys.